Hi, I'm here to show you how to use the loading shapes in After Effects. When you open the project, you see the preview composition. You can see all the shapes here. You can scroll down or up and see them. To use that, first create your composition. For example, I create a vertical composition, call it main, hit OK. Then go here and choose one of these loading animations. For example, I choose this one. Inside that, we have a setting layer. You can change the color and the position and the scale. Then go to your composition. Here, it was number 27. Drag and drop to your composition. After that, I recommend you to enable the continuously rasterize. It will sharpen the edge when you scale it down or scale it up. It is for the vector layer, and our layers are shapes and they are kind of vector, so you can enable it. I want to loop the animation are completely loopable. To do that, select the composition, right click, time, enable time remapping. The shortcut is alt control T. Okay, hit that, hold alt, click on the stopwatch, go here, property, loop out or loop out duration. In our situation, both of them do the same job. And now you can easily drag the end of the layer, and it's completely loopable. By some reason, I don't know why, on this keyframe it gets disappeared. To fix that, go one frame backward, set a keyframe and delete the other one. It gets fixed. I don't know why. See the animation? You can set it with your here, for example, or maybe scale it down. And you can render your composition, hit Ctrl M and render it out. That's it. Hope you enjoy and thank you for watching.